Gentlemen, I got some good news. Looks aren't as important as you think, and especially in the long run. There's so many other important things that women look for, so in today's video I'm going to go over 6 traits that women love in a man. So let's get into it. Number 1 is confidence. This is the end-all be-all of what makes a man attractive. The types of things she's going to be looking at is how you carry yourself, how you interact with other people, your ability to make decisions, what you do in fearful situations. It shows her that you're confident and secure in your own skin. How can you expect her to be secure in you and feel secure around you if you're not secure in yourself? It shows leadership and that she can count on you in her times of need. If you're looking to raise your confidence, I suggest you start doing things outside of your comfort zone. Developing yourself as a human being, start a workout plan. All these kind of things are going to start to raise your self-belief and raise your confidence. Number 2 is humor. It's really important to be able to make her laugh, but it's not all about being a funny guy. That reminds me, did y'all hear the rumor about butter? Oh, you haven't? Well, you know what? Actually, never mind. I don't want to spread it. Having a sense of humor is also about not taking life too seriously. Being able to laugh at some of the stresses that life throws our way. It shows her you're not easy to anger, and if you can make fun and tease each other in a fun-loving way, women are very attracted to that. Gentlemen, number 3 is one that's really going to help you stand out from the crowd. Find something to be passionate about. Find something that drives you. This is going to make you stand out from every single guy that shows up to work, comes home, watches Netflix, and plays video games. Number 4 is faithfulness and loyalty. Making a woman feel beautiful is one of the most important things you can do as a man. And one of the best ways to show her that is by being faithful to her. Making her feel like she's the most beautiful thing that your eyes have ever laid upon. A good test for her is to look at how loyal you are to your friends. Can you be counted on to follow through? Do you talk behind people's backs? Are you someone that they can put their trust in? All these are signs of how faithful you could be in her eyes. Number 5 is kindness and generosity. Your ability to give and show kindness to people shows her that you can be trusted. It shows her you're not a self-centered person. The bad boy appeal is appealing in school to school girls. Women love a man that can be generous, giving, and kind. And lucky enough for you, you can do a little bit of both. Number 6 is taking care of yourself. The last thing a woman wants is a lazy slob. Nothing is more attractive than a man who takes care of himself and his well-being. It shows that you care about your life and you're able to take care of other aspects of your life as well. If she can tell that you take care of yourself, it shows her that you'll be able to take care of her in her times of need as well. Exercise, eat well, dress nice, be well groomed. You don't have to look like Michael B. Jordan. As long as she can tell that you're taking care of yourself, she's gonna find that really, really attractive. Alright gang, that concludes this video. Gentlemen, if you found this one helpful, make sure you smash the like button. Ladies, if you know some other traits that you love seeing in a man, let me know in the comment section down below. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. I got videos Monday, Wednesday, Friday, self-growth, health, wellness. I hope to see all you guys in the next one. Alright guys, much love.